Hey, it's Chef Charles Chen. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make cabbage wrapped dumplings and how Kum Kee is essential for your New Year celebration. We're gonna start off with some ground beef. You can also use ground chicken. So during the New Year's, it's all about family, gathering loved ones together, making different dishes. This is a perfect dish to bring everyone together. And I'm gonna go in there with a little bit of Kum Kee sesame oil and then a little bit of the less sodium soy sauce. In the New Year celebrations, the fish means longevity, the noodles means wellness and prosperity. And I'm choosing dumplings because it brings together family and it's all about togetherness. The Kum Kee sauces are essential to this dish. It just brings out the brightness, the boldness, and all the flavors. So the Hoisin sauce brings a nice sweetness, and we're adding the vinegar for a little bit of tang, and the chili crisp brings a nice texture and also a little bit of a kick, which I love. Our cabbage dumplings are ready. Now we're just gonna pour over our sauce here and garnish. So beautiful. We got some fried shallots here. Add some more texture, some nice crunch. That looks beautiful. So tasty, can't wait to try it. And that's how you make cabbage wrapped dumplings. Make sure you check out the full recipe at usa.lkk.com. Happy Year of the Horse. I'm gonna try one of these. They look so good. Cheers, guys. Look at all that sauce.